Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Baseus USB-C cable for 100 watts, and now we will check the max voltage of this cable. To check maximum voltage of this cable, I need to use the cable checker and connecting it. Oops, I have disabled it. Maybe, okay. So by connecting this cable to the checker, I can check that this cable has the maximum voltage, only 12 volts and 5 amperes. And of course, in summary, we have 100 watts. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.